Hey friends, welcome back here. This is another review of new sneakers here. This is Nike SB Dunk sneakers, and this is the new colorway. If you want to copy some, please check out my web link bioshop.ru. And here you can check out the shapes. This is the pink one on the top, got Nike SB, and this is the size label and all information there. Now let me show the shoes. You can take this is the new colorway with the black and the dark green. For the dark green is the sweat material. Black is the temple leather. On the midsole is the black one. Got the stitching on the whole midsole. And this is the bird embroidered here. Black Nike shoes. The top is the shape, very good. And this part got the hose. This is the shoelace in the middle. Got the less lock. On the top got the Nike SB and the Nike shoes. And for the inside got the stain. Got another extra shoelace is the red one. And this is the bottom is the red one, and I have the pattern here. Also in the middle got Nike SB. And check out the back side. On the top got Nike embroidered there. And the inner side, the shoe part got the logo. The back side of the shoe tom got the text. For more details, you also can check out my web link, and here just give it a quick look. Please don't forget to check out my web link bioshop.ru. Thanks for seeing you next time.